Hi guys, it's yet another day and another trick that I would like to share with you guys. Let's say for instance, you open a YouTube in a YouTube video and then you're not seeing the comments. I'll just click on any YouTube channel and then we are going to head over to the comments. Like this one, you're not seeing any comments running. So I'm going also to try a different video, and you'll notice that the comments below the videos are not showing. So I'll try another one like this one. You'll also see that we don't have any comments running. So sorry for that, for the sound. So there's one thing I want to show you guys. There's one way of doing it. No, actually we have two ways of doing it. One of them, you can actually open this video in using the incognito mode in Chrome. So on Chrome, you just click on share and then I'll just copy the link. Yeah, my computer is a little bit slow, don't know why. Anyway, I'll just take I'm going to take the link up here. So after taking that link, and then I'll head over here and then I'll click on new incognito. So when I type here, so that's one way just to allow the comments to appear. So just accept. So you see on this video below, you're going to see comments. It's because I've used the incognito mode. So there is another way of doing it other than using the incognito mode. So that's the one I'm going to show you guys. So in this case, you are seeing the same video. You cannot see the comment. It's just you're just seeing. You're actually you're seeing a blank. You're not seeing anything in the comment area. So what I'm going to do is that so we are going to head over to settings, and how we access the settings for Google Chrome. You have to click on these three dots here and then click on settings. So when you click on settings, you come here and click on privacy security, and then you see here clear browser data. So you just click on it, and then what you do, you clear the browser, so you don't have to clear the cache images, so that some website can load very fast. So what you do is just clear the browser history, cookies, and other sites. Okay, and then all time you can actually indicate last hour, last 24 hours, depending with or at what time did this problem start. So in my case, I'll just take I'm going to choose the all time, and then I'll just click on clear. So I'm going to wait for it to clear. So it's going to take a little bit of time because I'm clearing all the data. So that one is done. So what you're going to do, we are going to close this one, and then I'm going to refresh this and see if it's going to work. Sorry for the music. I don't want to log to sign in, so I'll just accept. So if you see now, you should be able to see the comments. So that's how you do it. So you can use the incognito mode, and for incognito mode, On Chrome, you have to click on the three dots on your extreme top right, and then you head over to new incognito. So this is one way. Then you just type the link there, and your comments are going to appear, especially for any video, not necessarily your YouTube channel. So the other option is the one that I've shown you guys, whereby what you do, you also just click on the three dots, and then the next thing you do, you go to settings, and then on the settings, privacy and security, and then on the privacy and security, you click on clear browser data. So here you can indicate maybe you want to clear for the last 1 hour or 24 hours or 7 days or last week. So in my case, I've decided, let me just clear everything all time. So, and then where you after that, then the next thing is just to click on clear data, and that's how you do it. So when you are done, then you can just refresh. So this is one of the videos. So I will try another video, and then you see now we can see the comments. So let me just look for another video, and then I will just click on it. I'm just clicking on any video at random, arbitrary. So let me just mute. I don't want to have that noise. So you see now the comments are appearing. So let me just try another video, and then you see. You'll see now. You see the comments are coming. You can see the comments. Initially, we didn't have these comments, but now they are appearing. So if you like the video, kindly like, share, and also subscribe just to support my channel, so that when I'm uploading a new video, you can learn a new thing. So thank you guys.